Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in, they touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna be washing the YZ. This bike is dirty, as you can see. All this 2-stroke, oil, everything. I just put a brand new sprocket on. You guys seen that probably in the last video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make them 2 videos or not, but
Nah, Jay made this one.
look at all this oil. I'm not too worried about the back plastics because I'm just gonna put gas on them and they're gonna whiten right up.
Nah, Jay made this one. Nah, J made this one.
Alright, we're getting the wheels clean. As you can see, wheels are pretty clean. The white, we'll get that right. Motor is really clean. See, very clean. Back plastics need to be cleaned up. Rear wheel, pretty clean. Along with this stuff, I just need to whiten this up as well. And then other side. So yeah, about to get this pup right in 1 second. And we're back. As you can see from before, that looks way cleaner. There's a couple little scratches like right here from falling, but besides that, the white's way whiter right here. Front plate, way cleaner. She's definitely back. Oh. Yes, sir.
Right now he run 10 me to life, bro. Youngin', but he burned all his stripes like he a tiger. You gon' kiss her, you a wife, I'm a listener and a writer. I could hit your sis, but I've been laying back cause I'm a sniper. We've been doing this for too long.